How to enable full screen gesture on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE and S23 FE. By default, you can see the 3-button navigation bar, back button, home button and reset button on your device. If you want to use a full screen gesture, open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to display, tap on the display. Now scroll down until navigation bar, or you can search here navigation bar. Now find the navigation bar, manage the home, back and reset button, or use gesture for more screen apps. Now tap on the navigation bar. Now here you can see by default chat buttons. Now choose the swipe gesture option, and you can see remove the button from the navigation bar. You can see only horizon wheel. When you use full screen gesture, just swipe up and hold to view the recent application on your device. To open any app, to go home screen, just swipe up to go to home screen, or go back, swipe from the left or right edge of the screen to go back the previous screen when you use a full screen gesture. So quite useful feature. Just go to display, navigation bar, and you can choose buttons or swipe gesture. Also at the bottom you can see assist app and circle to search. To long press the middle line to use circle to search to find related product. Tap on more option. Here you can set the gesture sensitivity. So easy to set buttons or navigation bar on your Samsung S23 FE and S24 FE. That's it. Like it, share it.